Shmai pawb, this week's patrwm yr wythnos is sut wyt ti'n teimlo? I wonder if you can recognise any of the words in this patrwm yr wythnos. Maybe you recognise this word here, sit, which means how. Wyt ti'n teimlo, and teimlo is feel. If you put all these together, sut wyt ti'n teimlo, in Saesneg it means how do you feel, or how are you? To answer this, you would start with dwi'n, I am. Now there are loads of examples here of how to answer this question. For example, dwi'n hapus diolch. Dwi'n dda iawn diolch. Dwi'n ofnadwy. Or dwi'n teimlo'n sâl. You can even extend your sentences as well with achos. So for example, dwi'n hapus achos dwi'n mynd i'r cinema heno. Let's practice asking this question again. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Aro fi, 1, 2, 3. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Can you say it in a robot voice? Sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Let's try and stretch it out. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo? Can you say it to your partner for me? Can you say it to the ceiling? How about asking this to your teacher? Go ahead. Remember the assembly that we did with this question. Try and remember all those different ways of how to answer sut wyt ti'n teimlo. You don't have to always say dwi'n hapus or dwi'n drist. There are lots and lots of different ways that you can answer this question. Give it a go. Diolch a hwyl am y